so I'm out at the property today. Just got a new toy, so we're gonna be using it to do a lot of work out here. So first of all, my dad's on it right now, you can see it there. So we're gonna do some work with one of these culvert pipes out here. Hopefully you can hear me. If not, I'll just have to do a voiceover later. But so I'm gonna turn it around and kind of show you what we're working on today. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna fix this culvert pipe. Right now he's trying to get down in there. We're gonna try and widen this ditch just a bit. And then we're gonna get up in there. We're gonna extend that pipe because it's just a little too short for how wide we want to span. So we kind of come over here and you can see a little bit different angle. So you can see we've got it, it's about a 20-foot pipe right now. We're going to extend it about another 10 feet and then we'll just kind of slope all that out down below it. Right there. So that's it. We'll get after it. Well, as you can see, I did a lot of standing around supervising on this day, as my dad did all the work. I was grateful to have all the help, though. Just to the left of our ditch here, there's all those trees that I cut down. That's basically just going to get turned into a big bonfire. And there it is, the first pipe finished down at the bottom. Just gotta cover it up. So I forgot my level and decided why not just pour some water in it and see if it runs downhill. Alright, so pipe number 3 just needs to be extended a little bit. So I've got 4 feet of a 12-inch pipe, and we're going to stick it over the 10-inch pipe that's already in the ground. That'll just extend it just a little bit for us. So at this point, my beautiful wife decided that I needed to run down the hill and check the fire. So I let her finish cleaning up around the pipe. She did a really good job. And just like that, it fit right over the other pipe perfectly. So I just cleaned up a little bit more just so it could go on just a little bit deeper. It's on about 3 inches or so. Now all I have left to do is jump back in the skid steer, get some backfill, and fill over the pipes. And that's it.